Hello everyone, and welcome to English Time from the land of the wrinkles. Sometimes for a video, I have an idea, and then I realize it's not going to work at all, and then I just decide, let's make the video anyhow. And this is one of those videos. So most of my audience is in Japan, and in Japan, cereal is not very popular. If you go to a supermarket, the cereal section is just this one small little area, and there's not a lot of choices. But in America, where I'm from, the cereal aisle is an entire aisle. And there's a lot of varieties that we have that are just not in Japan. And so I thought this would be something interesting to show, which is these little boxes of mini cereals. And I thought it'd be interesting not just because of there being types they probably don't have in Japan, like Fruit Loops and Corn Pops, but they used to have something on the boxes of cereal that they don't. And that's what I thought would be good for a video. So these little boxes used to have little cuts in them. There used to be a cut here, a cut here, and a cut here. So that you could just take a butter knife and just go along the lines and then use the box to have your cereal in. So it would be kind of like this. You would just be able to, after you cut it, open up the box and then pull back the little bag inside and then just pour your milk right in and just eat from the box. So Japan has a lot of cool innovations with their own products, and that's like something that we used to do in America that I kind of wish they would bring back. So that's all for this little video for English Time. Have a nice day.